Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Trello for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device to install Trello on your device. Simply search for Trello in the search bar and then hit install right next to Trello. Once you have installed Trello on your device, head over to your app drawer and then search for Trello in the search bar of your app drawer. Here you can sign up or log in. As we do not have an account, simply hit sign up with email. You can also sign up with Microsoft, Google. Here you must enter your email and then hit sign up. You can also sign up with Apple and Slack along with Microsoft and Google, or you can simply tap on your Google account to sign up. If you already have an account, hit login. Here you can hit sign in with email, Google, Microsoft or Apple. Simply hit sign in with email if you want to sign in with your email. You'll be redirected to your mobile browser to sign in. You can tap on the email that you already have or simply hit add another account and say your email address, hit continue and then enter your password or the verification code sent to your email and sign in. Once you've signed in to your web browser, you'll automatically be signed into your mobile app as well, and then you can start using Trello. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.